Hello everybody, how are you? Okay, I eat this cold, cold. Really good. We go heat it up. Heat it up. In microwave, me heat up two of this in microwave. Yeah, heating up, heating up. This chocolate flavor sandwich where we go heat it up in microwave, yeah, yeah, we go get plate. Yeah, I got a plate. I open up and grab two out. Put it back in my refrigerator. Okay. Now bottom. Garbage. Now I'm gonna go play with it and go put in microwave. We go probably put at 2 minutes. Yeah, put at 2 minutes. Wait for them. I eat it before cold. Now I'm gonna eat warm. Now like heat it up in microwave. Now I'm gonna try you like smell like chocolate. Oh my god, man, fine. Yeah, warm. Where you see like steam like sleep coming out. Hot. Yeah, like really hot. Where really hot. Where see where steam up where. I just really good. Really good. Okay, see,